Understanding, You're Out of Line, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, you're out of line. This expression is widely used, but what does it really mean? And how can we use it correctly in conversations? Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origins, and examples to help you master this phrase. Let's get started. When someone says, "You're out of line," they're not talking about physically stepping out of a queue or misaligning objects. This phrase is a metaphorical way of telling someone that their behavior or comments are inappropriate, unacceptable, or disrespectful. It's often used in situations where someone has crossed a social or moral boundary, and it serves as a warning or reprimand to correct their behavior. The phrase, out of line, originates from military contexts, where soldiers are expected to maintain a straight line during formations and parades. If a soldier steps out of this formation, they're literally out of line, symbolizing a break from discipline or order. Over time, this literal meaning evolved into a metaphorical one, used to indicate someone deviating from accepted standards of behavior or ethics in any context, not just the military. To help you understand how to use "you're out of line," let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace, if a colleague makes a disrespectful comment about another team member's work, a supervisor might say, "You're out of line. We don't tolerate disrespect here." 2. Among friends, if one friend insults another in a joking manner that goes too far, the response might be, "Hey, you're out of line. That's not funny." 3. In public discourse, when a public figure makes an offensive or controversial statement, commentators or the public might say, "They're out of line for saying that." If someone tells you, "You're out of line," it's important to reflect on your behavior. Here are a few steps to consider. 1. Acknowledge. Recognize the possibility that your behavior or comments may have been inappropriate. 2. Apologize. If appropriate, offer a sincere apology to those affected by your actions. 3. Adjust. Learn from the feedback and adjust your behavior accordingly to avoid similar situations in the future. Understanding the phrase, "you're out of line," is crucial for navigating social interactions and maintaining respectful relationships. It reminds us of the importance of empathy and boundaries in communication. We hope this video has shed light on this common English expression and helped you feel more confident in using it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.